everyone. I just wanted to continue with the second part of this video. Where we left off is adding accent lighting. And I have two pieces of art here. And so what I have added there are two wall washers. Remember, we talked about those earlier. Wall washers are circles that are half black. And where the light part is, that's where the light shines. So when you have a wall washer, you need to place it about 3 to 4 feet ahead of the wall so it gets a chance to just hit its target. That will add a great accent lighting, another layer of lighting to the space. Secondly, I have a TV here. I want to make sure that my TV has a special outlet. And that TV, I want to hang it about 60 inches above the ground, right in front of me. So I have to call out a special outlet, just like this, that says 60 inches above finished floor. That's what AFF stands for. That tells the electrician when I put it here that they're going to put 60 inches AFF and do that little symbol there. And that will show that we need to put that specialized height outlet. And so sometimes you're going to use some specialty outlets and specialty accent lighting. There are different types of accent lighting as well. You can do a spotlight, which has like an arrow, or even track lighting, which has little triangles, and the light comes out the wide side. So it comes out that way. So if you want to put some track lighting in here, you're more than welcome. But what I want to see is layers of lighting. Your ambient, which is general lighting, your accent lighting, and your task lighting. Right now, this has everything. We have accent lighting. We have our ambient general lighting. Any down lights are general lightings. And then we have the pendant lights and regular lights that go over things. That's a task lighting. That lighting that's under the counter, that's a task light. So as you walk through this space, make sure that you are hitting every area. You have a switch for every light, and think it out. If you feel like it should turn off on another location, create a three-way switch. In addition, we want to produce a legend. You only put on the legend the items that you use. So you first start off with any lighting fixture little symbol. Then you go into electrical. In this case, the most common thing we use is a little 6-inch recessed can. So I have a little teeny circle that represents that. Here I have a larger circle with a circle in the middle that represents my dining light. Next we have ceiling fan. I have an under counter fluorescent light. Here I have that wall washer. Next I have a single pole switch, a three-way switch, three-way switch, a switch with a dimmer. I also have an outlet that says GFI, and we can identify those in the bathrooms and the kitchens. And I have an outlet that has half of it that's filled in, that half hot that we talked about that controls by a switch. Also, if you want to, I added a little data port, which is a triangle filled in at the desk where the twins stay to get great internet service. So if you have an office, you might want to add data ports. Look at that handout I gave you and see what applies to you. And that will actually help you with the situation. Now also too, we have things called call outs that you put on your furniture. F1, F2, F3. Well, any lighting that's very specialty, like a beautiful hanging pendant, we would call that out. So this little hanging pendant, I'm going to call LT1. Also, all your lamps could be LT2, LT3. Any specialty lighting. General lighting such as recessed cans don't require a call-out number, only something the designer puts extra care in specifying. So I can have a picture of that, and I'm hoping you'll produce all of your decorative lighting. It could be fixtures, hanging pendants, chandeliers, gorgeous sconces. All those should have a little call-out number, and lighting is LT. So start off with LT1 and work your way through. So this whole experience should also give you some organization and help you visualize your space better. Once you connect the furniture plan and the RCP, you'll see there's going to be a beautiful three-dimensional thing happening and evolving. So make sure you pick out your fixtures that go well with your decor, your color scheme, and your style. Now, if you decide that you don't want to use a generic symbol, you could be creative. Let's say I have a lighting fixture that looks like that. You could put that in place of one of my symbols, but make sure you list what it is. Dining pendant, bathroom light, whatever it is. And you also have the correct terminology on the list I gave you. So I hope that this will help. I'm sure you'll make a beautiful reflective ceiling plan. And don't forget to watch all the lectures, that will really help. And I look forward to hearing your questions and answers next week at our Zoom conference. Have a great day, and I look forward to some great work. Take care.